Today is a big one because we are finally installing a modernised, updated Porsche steering wheel to the interior of my 981 Cayman S. Now you may be wondering, well, why would you be replacing this steering wheel? This one's already very nice. It's got the nice pedals, you know, it just looks great already. But when you see this new one, you'll understand completely why we're deciding to change this. Now, if you take a look at the more modern 718 Caymans that they're still releasing today that you can actually buy at Porsche right now, the interior is very, very similar to this. But there's one big difference that tells them apart, and that is the steering wheel. Now, yes, you could argue that there is more differences than just the steering wheel. And you'd be right, you know, you've got things like the vents that are different. The clock is sitting up there instead of down here. The center console, everything here is exactly the same. The screen is slightly more modernized, but overall the differences really aren't that much. The biggest one that everyone notices is the steering wheel. Now let's not waste any more time and let me show you this new steering wheel that will be replacing this. And here it is, it's a fully Alcantara upgraded 718 style steering wheel that they also use on the GT4s as well. Now this steering wheel, I've completely spec'd it out to have everything I want. This is literally my dream steering wheel for one of these cars. And let me talk you through all the specifications. Now we've gone with Alcantara, like I say, right round it. We've gone with the Alcantara airbag cover with a really nice shiny gold Porsche logo. We've also gone with a Tiffany blue center line to match the Tiffany stripe on the car. And we also have Tiffany blue stitching all around the inside, which looks unbelievable, with carbon fiber magnetic paddles. Now this wheel would not have been possible to make literally to my exact specification without the guys at Wheel Finesse, because I literally said to Wheel Finesse, look, I want this, 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 this and this, all these different things, and they were like, no problem, let's make it happen. And literally they have made my dream wheel come true, and they've even given me a discount code to give you guys if you guys want to do exactly the same as this or create your other ones. They don't just do Porsches, they do literally anything. I'll leave all their links down in the description and use my code JBYT at checkout to get a discount. Before we got to installing it, I just wanted to put these two side by side because these look so different. This new modern one's airbag is actually a lot smaller and it's actually dished in. You can see that the airbag's actually sat in, whereas on this one, the airbag comes out at you. Okay, now installing this steering wheel could not really be much easier. It's very easy if you have all the right tools and right things, so follow closely. Okay, first of all, we want to just open the bonnet and take this panel off here, which is where the battery is. You want to make sure you disconnect the battery so the airbag doesn't either blow up in your face or come up with an airbag warning light. Now this is a crucial step that you need to do, and that is you get a microfiber cloth or anything like that just to cover up the latch down here, because if this blows shut when the battery's disconnected, boy, are you going to struggle to get back in like that. So now that can't close now. It's just a 10mm that we want to get, and we undo the negative first. And make sure you leave your driver's door open as well. I actually don't know if you need to disconnect the positive or not, but I always do it just to be safe. Now the battery is all disconnected like that, we want to go inside the car now and begin taking off the old steering wheel. All right, now the battery is all disconnected. What we want to do is begin by taking this airbag out. And what you do is just I've got a long screwdriver here, and you go under, and there's a hole underneath this steering wheel, which you poke this through. Whoa, made me jump. What the? I've done that so many times. Why has that just made me jump? I thought that was going to explode in my face. Just bring it out here. Okay, so there's three connectors behind here. We have this metal bit here, the ground, which we pull off. I've done it with pliers before when that was really stiff. I've done it a few times, so it's a bit easier. And then we have these two orange ones here. You just want to get a flat head, flick the orange bits out. And then that one's out as well. And then that is the airbag now disconnected. You can see we've got the old connectors here, and we have one more connector that's in there, which comes out. Yeah, there you go. I've literally done that one-handed. You just flick down on that and pull it out. And now we want to undo this big bolt in the center here, which is an M12. Now I had to buy this set from Halfords. It literally costs like 10 quid for this set. And it's very useful how long this bit is, because you can just put it straight in, breaking this, hold it with your knees, I'd find easiest. Oh, and there we go. That is broken. Now this should be nice and easy. That's sus. Yo, that's crazy. That is so sus. What the hell have I just done? What the hell? I didn't even clock. What on earth? All right, now that's all done. It literally should just pull straight off. And there we go. The old steering wheel is off. These old paddles are going to be nice to get rid of. The old steering wheel is now off. Let's let's put the new one on. All right, now the guys over at Wheel Finesse have actually been legends and supplied me with the tool to get the old, well, the new airbag out. There is a hole there and the same on this side right there. You poke this in either end and it pops each side out. Okay, that's that side out. And there we go. But we can pull these both out. And boom, there is the new Alcantara airbag. It's so nice. I love Alcantara. It's like my favourite material for an interior. And now this literally just wants to go back in place where the other one came out. So, got to make sure it's all lined up as well, exactly where you took the other one off, which is why I say hold it with your knees. You just want to literally push this. There you go, you heard that click. And then boom. All right, now the new steering wheel is on. We want to get the bolt again with the M12 socket, screw it up and then torque it. The torque specs are 118 foot-pounds. 118, that's surely not right. That seems a lot. Oh, that's the wheel nut, not the steering wheel. No, yeah, don't do 118, that's way too much. It's 37. I was gonna say, I do not remember it being that much. Jesus Christ, right, 37, not 118 foot-pounds. That will literally break your steering wheel. Put this in here. Yeah, there we go, 37 foot-pounds. That steering wheel, hopefully, is not going anywhere in a hurry. It's very easy to know what one's what. We've got the brown connector and a yellow connector, and then it's the same with these, brown and yellow. So you literally cannot get this wrong. Boom, that is connected. This is ready just to push in. And there we go, the Porsche airbag is all in and the wheel is on. Let's go. Oh, the paddles, the carbon paddles, oh my God. Now, I've actually already driven with this on before. I had it on for the second half of the South of France road trip. If you've not seen those videos, go and watch them. They're very, very sick. I wanted to do this video just to show you guys how to do it, but we're also going to go for a first proper drive on camera. Wheel Finesse have also supplied me with extended carbon paddles. So they're just slightly bigger than the original ones. Look at that. Now, I haven't driven with these new paddles yet, so I do definitely want to give these a go. But I'm going to install these paddles over on my TikTok and go for a drive over there. So go follow. All my links will be down in the description for my TikTok. Now, what paddles would you go with? Would you go with the extended, or would you go with the more OEM looking, you know, standard size paddles? What would you do? I want to try these out, and yeah, it's nice to have the option. Now the battery's all connected. We just want to get this tray back in. So, close the bonnet. And now it is time to go for a drive. Let's go. All right, we're out on the road to experience this wheel again, and the wheel has just transformed this whole interior. Bringing the Tiffany blue from the exterior inside again just makes the whole car come together as one. This is just, it's a different league. It's modern, it just feels way nicer. It's slightly thinner than the other one, so you feel like you get a bit better feedback on the road. The Tiffany blue centerline's just a really nice touch with the stitching. A lot of them come with leather airbag covers, and that's one thing that I did really want that was different, was an Alcantara airbag cover. Again, just making the interior feel more plush. But the car is warm. We've got a nice country road, so let's put it in sport mode and let's go through the gears. Oh, them shifters, oh, they're so satisfying. I'm gonna just be quiet and let you guys listen to the gears and the shifts, because they're next level of this steering wheel. My God. I'm gonna go Sport Plus actually. Let's tighten the suspension up. Oh! Those shifts are just so satisfying. Oh my God. Oh my days. What a beast. Oh my God. This steering wheel, the feedback I'm getting. Oh! Get gassed! Oh my God. It's just so much better. Honestly, this is definitely the best thing I've done so far on the car. Just everything about this is just 10/10. You guys have got to check out Wheel Finesse. All their links and everything will be down in the description. Use code JBYT at checkout to get yourself a little discount. Thank you very much to Willforness for sourcing this and doing all this, because I had a lot of requests and they managed to fulfill every single one. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks again to Willforness. This has completely transformed the interior. Absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I've got some very exciting stuff planned for the future, so stay tuned. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.